Man, it's getting dark out. I wanted to be home a half hour ago. I've been trying to chase down a couple cheeseburgers for half an hour now. It's getting tough, man. I just heard, excuse me, on the radio. I'm going to walk out to the corner of my shed. I just heard that it's 40 years today since John Bonham died. Oh my God. My reaction was, what? When John Bonham, I won't say it. When John Bonham, I was wrenching on my 475 horsepower V8 Vega wagon at my mom and dad's backyard. And there's an alleyway next door, and the gate burst open, and a little boy burst through the gate, a stranger, and he had tears streaming down his face. And he was about 12 years old. And my friend and I were standing next to my V8 Vega, and the boy just said, "Have you heard? Have you heard?" And I said, "No, man, what?" And he said, "John Bonham's dead." And the tears streaming down his face, he bolted. He bolted on his way, man. A 12-year-old boy. And so I pray to the Lord of flesh and bone, leave me some to call my own. And if I may, and if I might, wish John Bonham eternal rest tonight. Thanks for the music, John. Hey, John. Hey, man. I need a little more help with my vertical. If you don't mind, man. Suck the signals right out of my yard and rain them down upon the earth. Now you know why my vertical outperforms any other vertical ever made. It's the incantations and prayers. And actually, before I wish you good night, I'll confess this. It's the only vertical I've ever owned. How could the DX Commander possibly outperform this in my yard? Or any other vertical for that matter, when this is my first one. And it is just glorious. I love this vertical. I love ham radio. I love a little self-deprecation and clowning around. And I love my brother Art, and I'm going to see him. And if I don't get an 80-meter antenna strung up to the side of his darn house, I'm bringing my Union home. That's a threat, Arthur.